If you want to download Level Devil on PC, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video until the end and don't skip any part, because every step is important. So let's get started. If this video helps you download Level Devil on PC, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. First, open your web browser on your PC. Now search for Steam and open the official Steam website. Next, download and install the Steam app on your PC. Once Steam is installed, open it and sign in to your Steam account. Now use the search bar and search for Level Devil. From the search results, select the official Level Devil game. Next, click on Add to Cart or the available purchase option. After completing the purchase, go to your Steam library, find Level Devil in your library and click on Install. Like this now, choose the location where you want to install the game and click Next. Steam will now download and install Level Devil on your PC. Once the installation is complete, click Play to start the game.